Hi, good evening. This is Mohammad RASHAD KHAN. I have completed my I recently have graduated from Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology 2025 with a specialization in electronics and communication engineering. After my graduation, I searched a lot for the institute for a good training. So after a lot much research, I got my friend recommended me that Jspiders is a very good institute. There is a 100% placement guaranteed here. So I have decided to take admission in a Jspider. I came here. I take admission in DevOps with AWS. During this institute journey, I learned a lot. The subject I learned is 100%, and the more 2 months are left for me. Uh, I would like to talk about my trainer. My trainer name is Mohammad Arbaz. He trained me a lot regarding the subject, the way he teach me. To be honest, the way he explained me the questions the interviewer will ask, definitely the same questions have interviewers asked me. So I would like to tell that his experience of Arbaz sir has helped me a lot to get a job placement.